25 नवंबर को होने वाले अगरतला नगर निगम चुनावों से पहले त्रिपुरा में राजनीति गर्मा गई है। विपक्षी पार्टी सीपीआईएम ने सत्तारूढ़ भाजपा पर विपक्षी राजनीतिक दलों के उम्मीदवारों को डराने, धमकाने और नामांकन भरने से रोकने का आरोप लगाया है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट लाइव से बात करते हुए सीपीआईएम के राज्य सचिव और पूर्व सांसद जितेंद्र चौधरी ने आरोप लगाया कि भाजपा ने न केवल विपक्षी उम्मीदवारों को नामांकन भरने से रोका है, बल्कि उनके घरों में भी तोड़फोड़ की है।
In Tripura, there are another 4 elections was conducted under this election commission. That was the by-election of the 3-tier panchayat, by-election of the urban bodies, then general election of the 3-tier panchayat. What happened in these elections? In general election of the 3-tier panchayat, 96% of the total seats were gone unopposed. That is, there the other political parties, including our CPIM, we failed to put up our candidate. But this time, except these 7, in other 13 urban bodies, we have put up our candidature.
और सीपीआईएम के राज्य सचिव ने कहा कि लोग भाजपा पर से अपना विश्वास खो रहे हैं। साथ ही उन्होंने उम्मीद जताई कि 25 नवंबर को होने वाले निकाय चुनाव में लोग सीपीआईएम को ही वोट देंगे।
Yes, once upon a time, all democratic forces, they were very much weakened, but we are gaining our strength. And tomorrow, definitely, that the continuously, unabatedly, this election commission also can go like this. Election commission shall have to answer, and they must answer, and people will not spare them.
और इसके अलावा सीपीआईएम सचिव ने चुनाव आयोग की भूमिका पर भी सवाल उठाया है।
They own 7 urban bodies uncontested. By garrowing the offices of the returning officer, by not allowing the candidates of the other political parties, by converting the SDM offices, that is returning offices, totally down of the hooligans. They have tried their level best. They have made their all-out attempt to refrain, to create the obstacle, stumbling block to the opposition parties and their candidates, that they failed to put up their candidature. But defying all odds, our party CPIM and Left Front and some other political parties also, they have put up their candidature in most of the seats.